Hi guys, I'm Sagar. Welcome to Sagar's Mojo. Today we are unboxing a hoverboard by Swagtron, and it's called Swagtron Swagboard T6 Outlaw, which is an all-terrain hoverboard. Guys, I'm so excited to open this hoverboard because I've been researching it for the past 1 month, searching for which is the best or which would be the best hoverboard in a budget below $300 in the US. So there are many other hoverboards which I researched on. To make this video, I did not even open the box. So I'm so excited to open this. So yeah, let's open it and see what exactly we have in here. And if you can see, there is a seal which I have not opened yet. So let's unbox it. Let's take the knife. All right. Okay, this box just came out, and the labeling and sticker is absolutely brilliant. It's very nice. Seems very powerful though. Okay. Let's open the box. So first thing what I see is this box. I guess this would be the adapter. The reason why I have an electrical thing is this electrical hoverboard. Okay, let's keep this aside. Okay, now we have one more plastic. I think it should be the manual. Let me try to open and see what exactly we have inside. Okay, this is how to ride, and so there's one more card, like it says, like you need to go through this first to set your hoverboard barcodes, and this is the cool thing that you can design to keep your share the swag away on the swag price. So what you can do is you can color this sheet and you can post it to Swagtron. And maybe like you can compete in a contest, I guess. So you need to have a barcode. Really cool top. Okay. So this is actually, I guess it's for your wheels, to inflate your wheels or to give air pressure, because it's a tubeless tire hoverboard. I've seen many other hoverboards and while researching they have a good specs, but then the tires are still plastic, hard plastic, which I would not prefer to have those tires for all terrain, because sometimes the plastic thing might not have proper grip, though it has good grippy surface, but then it still slides. So a rubber wheel based hoverboard I would prefer. So it's personal preferences, but I would feel the rubber would be more safer. And so let's unbox this one. Woo! it's like as per the specs, it's like weight 14 kilograms. Approximately weight is 30.5 pounds. I can smell the tire. So this is how it looks. Okay, and so this has a rubber thing. I'm not sure if you could see it or not, but this has, it goes down. This is for the sensor, I guess. And these are the lights. Tires well built. So I would recommend you to have proper protective gears for your knees, your head, your elbows. Well said that. Yeah, and this is actually a self-balance scooter, and it comes with manufacturer 1-year warranty. Sadly, it's a rubber built tires, and the body seems to be plastic, but the frame is aluminum, as they mentioned. And look at the tires, guys. Look at the radials. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay. All right. Okay. So so here's the power button. I'm not sure if you could see it from there. I'll try if I can zoom that for you. And this is the power, so let's switch it on. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is for the battery, and they say like if you keep it for a charge of 2 hours, it would have a complete and full battery charge. And going further, like you have to connect this device using Bluetooth. There's an app called Swagtron. You need to download it to your phone and then connect it this device using your Bluetooth. And so maybe you should have once you open the app, you have different levels that you can choose. And then once you choose your level, like if you're a beginner, then you can just select learning or more, and if you're okay with it, once you're okay with it, you can switch it to standard, and if you're more comfortable using the device, then you can switch to advanced. So depending on your comfortable level, so you can choose whichever mode that you want, and then you can even see the speed that you're going, how many miles you covered or how many kilometers you have covered. So I opened the App Store and then typed Swagtron. Then once you open it, like you can see the Swagtron app there. Click on Open because I already installed it. So once you click on it, this is what it comes up with. It allows you to set up your Bluetooth, and then just click on OK. I closed it because I want to set it up later. And so yeah, click OK. Then you can see the different screens. And then once you can skip, like you can skip the login or sign up. Just click on skip, and this is what you see. And then you click on OK or map and go to settings, and then here you can see it will give you a default password, and then I just type the default password and click on OK, and it will ask you to set up. After typing the password, it will ask you to set up for the Swagtron music. So just click on set Bluetooth now. So it would take you to your Bluetooth settings, then yeah, Bluetooth, and then below you can see your Swagtron music, so you can just click on that and it will connect. So yeah, so now we can see the screens and you can see the different modes. I have just selected you can see advanced, learning, and standard, showing you the options for standard, learning, and advanced. So learning, I prefer learning because I never drove any of the hoverboards. Yeah, so this is all about the setup for your Bluetooth. I'll test it for next 50 miles and then see how it works and what are the pros and cons of this, and I'll let you know how I felt and my opinions on this T6 Outlaw. Yeah, that's all about the unboxing of this device, and if you want to purchase this device, you have links in the description. You can go to the description and check the links below. And before you're leaving, please subscribe, share, and like the video so that it would encourage me to do more such videos. And see you soon.